A miter saw is a woodworking tool that makes precise, angled cuts. There are many products available to choose miter saws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best miter saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw. This 10-inch compound miter saw from Metabo is a lightweight and manageable tool that makes quick and precise cuts. It offers thumb-activated positive stops for quick adjustments during use. It also provides angled miter cuts at 0.52 degrees to the left or right for flexibility. What customers are saying. Satisfied customers pointed out that this 10-inch miter saw was easy to use, powerful, and affordable. However, less satisfied customers complained about how quickly their miter saw broke down. They also said that it was louder than the other saws that they had used in the past. What we like about it. 10-inch blade, 15-amp motor, 5,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, 24.2 pounds. Number 2. Bosch Sliding Glide Miter Saw. This Bosch miter saw features extendable metal supports, a 14-inch horizontal cutting capacity, and a 6.5-inch vertical cutting capacity to cut woodworking pieces of various sizes. Plus, it's easy to adjust and has large, easy-to-read bevel and stainless steel miter scales. What customers are saying. Out of the positive Amazon customer reviews, many highlighted the versatility of this miter saw. Customers also said that it was easy to use and durable. Negative reviews pointed out that the miter saw stand and table weren't stable enough. What we like about it. 12-inch blade, 15-amp motor, 88.2 pounds. Number 3. Craftsman Sliding Miter Saw Kit. This sliding miter saw weighs less than 25 pounds, though it still delivers plenty of power with its 15-amp 3,800 RPM motor. It uses an LED positioning system to make accurate cuts, and it also has 9 casted miter detent stops for angled cuts. What customers are saying. Customers who left positive reviews for this saw liked that it was lightweight, maneuverable, and quiet. However, there were some users who felt like it wasn't powerful, even for small cuts. They also said that it struggled to cut at a 45-degree angle. What we like about it. 7.25-inch blade, 15-amp motor, 21.8 pounds. Number 4. Delta Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This sliding compound miter saw from Delta prioritizes accurate cuts with its shadow guide system. This system uses an LED light to cast a shadow onto the piece of wood to show you where to cut. The forward-located bevel lever makes it easier to make bevel adjustments. What customers are saying. Positive reviews highlighted the portability of the build and the smoothness of the slide. Unhappy reviewers stated that they had alignment issues. Others struggled to see the shadow line in brighter light. What we like about it. 10-inch blade, 15-amp motor, 4,000 RPM, 55 pounds. Number 5. Skill Compound Miter Saw. This miter saw features a laser guide to make accurate cuts and an attached clamp to secure workpieces. This tool is easy to set up initially and use with step-by-step instructions and a quick mount system. The left-right extension rails accommodate larger wood pieces. What customers are saying. Customers repeatedly praised this skill miter saw for its top-notch safety features, portability, and affordable price point. They also said that it was perfect for the woodworking hobbyist. Negative reviews mentioned how difficult it was to tilt the saw for cutting. What we like about it. 12-inch blade, 15-amp motor, 4,500 RPM, 42.5 pounds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.